Sobrang overwhelmed but proud, yet talagang parang it's just sinking in right now, lahat ng mga nangyari, but all worth it. And then just looking forward to where we're going together.
What inspired you to enter?
My senator, his heart, it's very, kahawa. Yung kanyang patronage, yung kanyang sobrang pagmamahal sa country, kanyang pagka-patriotic niya, and his love for the country, talagang protection, service, and talagang sama-sama para sa protection ng ating bayan.
Ang learnings mo while undergoing dito sa
Oh, I learned about patience, I learned about myself, my limits. I never thought na Ikaw na.
Alam mo na, bagay na bagay siya ng uniform.
Dapat everyday na lang.
Everyday din ah. Mami.
Naayon.
Congratulations! So proud of you, girl.
Ayan, tama.
Flag officer din naman.
Dessert naman.
Congratulations.
Patience daw na una na naturuan. Patience daw. Tingnan natin.
Ito ko kay sir.
Balikan natin, learnings mo, patience,
Patience. I learned my limits at 52. I never thought I could do all these
Yes,
things,
yes.
no? Yung mga FTX namin,
Oo.
lahat ng pinagdaanan namin sa barko, all our trainings, and syempre yung mga mapping, mga rifle compact and all. It was just something na I never thought I could do
Yes.
at this age.
Oo.
And no regrets talaga. I mean, kahit pala 30 years kang hindi nag-gym, pag sinabi ng commander mo,
Kayang-kaya.
squats.
Okay.
Kayang-kaya pala. And I just learned na there are no limits.
Okay.
No limits when you want to serve, when you have the heart to serve.
Okay.
Yeah, never give up. I didn't give up talaga until andito na ako.
Nats ang suporta ng family ng mga anak mo.
All out talaga.
out.
I miss them pero all out. And sabi ko nga, I'm packing all my packed dreams.
Okay.
So, never thought that I would be able to do this for my country.
Okay, gaano katagal ang naging training? May
Well,
uwian
itong
ba?
aming BCMC is a very special course. No, this is a 30-day course.
30 days.
Pero syempre we go through everything, all the yung physical training. We went through all the yung aming FTX na tinatawag. So talagang pagdadaanan mo pa rin lahat.
Yes.
Hindi mo pwedeng baliwalain to kasi this is a feat for an individual to just accomplish.
Everyone say,
Sir, we'll have more time with Miss Nadia this afternoon.